Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the fully funded Erasmus Mundus EMMIE Scholarship to study masters in Europe. We'll show you the full process for this, and the deadline is 6th of January 2026. We'll show the full process. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Erasmus Mundus scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see links are also given there. Or you can directly message us on Instagram and ask for the link. Or link is also given in Instagram story. And in about section of the YouTube, you can see links are also given there. You can also directly visit our website fullscholarships.net and apply for this particular joint master's scholarship. So deadline is 6th of January 2026. It is in the Europe, and you can complete your postgraduate or masters there. All countries are eligible. You'll be getting 1400 euro of stipend per month with the travel costs, accommodation, and there is no IELTS required for this. Again, reminding you that deadline is 6th of January. You have enough time to apply for this particular Erasmus Mundus Masters in Impact Entrepreneurship, EMMIE. So this is a specially designed courses so that you can apply for this particular course, so that you be an entrepreneur or you get this scholarship to further influence about this program. So there's a registration fee of 13 euros. So you'll also be exempted from submitting any of the fees, including in this application. So simple process is there. You should have documents like academic background, motivation letter, language skills like English, and simply you have to apply it through the website. Will show you. Simply scroll down at the end, you can see apply here button. Click on this apply here button. So before we show you the process, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and to follow us on Instagram page as well. Again, reminding the link for this scholarship is given in the video description below. Check out that, or directly visit our website fullscholarships.net. Now once you click on this apply now button at the end here, you can see this type of practical information page will be there. Application for 2026 cohort open on October 6 and close on January 6. So you can see we are the first on the YouTube to bring you this application process. So you need to have your birth certificate, your photograph, your CV in English, and motivation letter, then all the previous degree certificates or bachelor's or high school, English certificate from your previous school, 2 recommendation letters, and then you need to simply submit the application form here. So complete the application form. So click on this link here so that you fill the application form. So once you click on that, it will open the application form. You can see EMMIE application form 2025. First you have to choose the gender and then select the first name and then the last name. After that, your email address. After that, enter your nationality and then date of birth. And after that, upload the proof of residency if you are living in other country, but we don't. So now we have to upload a passport here. So we will upload from the local files here. So passport you have to upload. Click on upload one file and done. After that, you have to upload your CV here. So upload your CV. Then you have to upload your motivation letter. So one by one you have to upload all the things here. Then you have to upload your recommendation letter. Then recommendation letter second. These are demo documents. You have to upload original documents here. After that, how did you heard about this program? You can say social media. I confirm that I completed 4 years of bachelor's. Yes, optional duration of bachelor's 4 years. Field of bachelor's study. So you can say economics or whatever you have. Science. Institution issuing then the degree certificate of that degree transcripts, or you can upload main certificate first here. And then upload the transcripts of bachelor's. If you have master's degree already completed, you can, so I do not have, I'll just select no. If you have, you can submit them as well. Have you completed your degree in English? Yes, I do have. And you can submit your English proficiency certificate here. If you have any startup, you can submit that. Description of the proposed project, and then the company sector. So you can say ours is an AI. Is your company established or at now? We do not have. Which one do you want to apply? So full scholarship we want to apply. Now you have to upload the motivation for the scholarship here. So you have to write separate motivation letter for scholarship as well. So we can upload. Now if you don't get scholarship, would you like to be self-funded? No, we cannot. Now you can click on submit. So you can see, thank you for your application to this program. Kindly note, you will not receive any confirmation email, but your application has been received. Results will be out by March 2026. So you can then check your email for the results at that time. Right now you won't be receiving any email confirmation. So that's it. Simple process is there. And you should check out other options as well. We have published all scholarships on our website here, fullscholarships.net. You can see multiple scholarships are there. Sweden scholarships are there. USA Miami Stamp scholarship is there. RTB scholarship Russia is there. Free online courses are also there. So you can check out all the scholarships and you can apply for these. We also sorted out country wise, course wise. Each and every scholarship is there. You can just check out them. For getting such information on your mobile screen or laptop screen, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and visit our website fullscholarships.net. Also follow us on Instagram page here. All the information is available there. If you have any doubts, you can ask us directly on Instagram through the message, and our team is there to assist you. So please do like this video, share this video at least with your friends who wish to complete their studies in Europe, any loved ones in your family who wish to complete their masters or bachelors or any subject in the Europe or anywhere in the countries abroad from your home country. They can just check out our website fullscholarships.net and our Full Scholarships YouTube channel. Everything is there. Keep watching, keep subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day ahead.